Hot stove warning.
Be careful near the stove.
Why? It doesn't look hot.
If you touch a hot stove, you will get burnt.
Oh, I didn't realize it was still on.
Always check before touching. It's safer that way.
Good point. I'll be more careful.
Electric socket danger.
Why is your hand near the electric socket?
I was just curious about how it works.
If you put your hand in an electric socket, you might get an electric shock.
Really? I didn't know it was that dangerous.
Yes, it's super dangerous. Never do that again.
Okay, lesson learned.
Cheating ultimatum.
I heard you were texting someone else again.
It's not what you think.
If you cheat on me again, I will kill you.
I'm sorry, I swear it won't happen again.
You better mean it, or we're done.
I do, I promise.
Washing dishes agreement.
The sink is already full of dishes.
I know. If you put the dishes in the sink, I will wash them later.
Later? When is later?
After dinner. Don't worry, I'll do it.
Fine, but don't forget like last time.
I won't, I promise.
Borrowing money.
Can you lend me some money?
Why? What happened to your paycheck?
If you give me some money, I'll pay you back tomorrow.
Fine, but don't forget to pay me back.
Don't worry, I'll give you it back first thing tomorrow.
All right, but this is the last time.
Party invitation.
Are you coming to my party tonight?
I'm not sure yet. I'm feeling tired.
If you come to my party tonight, I'll be so happy to see you.
All right, I'll try my best to make it.
Great. It won't be the same without you.
Okay, I'll be there.
Lending money.
I'm really short on cash right now.
If you want some money, I'll lend you some.
Really? That would help so much.
Sure, just let me know how much you need.
Thanks, I'll pay you back next week.
No rush, take your time.
Dishes next to the sink.
Can you clear the table after dinner?
Sure. If you put the dishes next to the sink, I'll do them later.
Are you sure you'll get to it this time?
Yes, I promise. I won't forget.
All right, I'll stack them neatly for you.
Thanks, that makes it easier.
Junk food warning.
Why are you eating chips again?
Because they're delicious.
If you continue to eat junk food, you will have serious health consequences in the future.
I know, but it's so hard to stop.
You could try cutting back a little each day.
Yeah, maybe I'll start tomorrow.
Exam reward.
Have you been studying for your exam?
Yes, but it's so stressful.
If you pass the exam, I'll allow you to have a party.
Really? That's great motivation.
Then keep working hard. You've got this.
Thanks, I'll do my best.